All right, so the next step is I'm gonna bring in one hen at a time. First one's gonna be this guy. I'll get his hen, and I really hope that those guys mate up because that breeding has been extremely successful. So fingers crossed. A month ago, I did a pre-mating where I let the hens and the cocks meet each other and kind of pair up so that when it came time to do this, they'd be a little bit used to each other. And he wouldn't pair with this hen. But I didn't have the lights on and I didn't have him on a breeding mix. So hopefully all of those things will kind of bring them together, and I really hope they'll pair. So let's give it a try. I'll go grab his hen and I'll talk about him just a little bit. All right, this little hen is a special hen for me. She is down from James Robertson's Falco Cantadora pairing. Direct child from those two before they got sent off to his partner. She handles like a lightweight hen, really well built muscles. There's a little bit of a gap between the keel and the vents. The vents are a little teeny gap, but not much. Very strong back. Short little forearm. She has 11 flights on one side and 10 flights on the other. She bred a baby for me last season, and that baby had 11 flights on both sides. But yeah, so this is the Falco Cantadora hen. And direct sibling from them. So one of the reasons why this is such a special bird for me is James helped me out. I purchased a bird, Falco Cantadora baby, and I don't know if you guys have had this happen very often, but I left the gate open and it flew out of the loft, never to return. And James, being such an amazing person, he gifted this bird to me to replace that. And I really appreciated that gesture, and it meant a lot. And so this bird has a special place for me. And not to mention that, this family breeds winners. If you guys follow James, you'll know he just got a bird back from the California Classic that placed really well. I can't remember the details, but it placed really well. And that pairing that won him that race is a sibling to this one, bred to a baby from Griffin and Aztec Turquoise. This bird is a child to a bird, a sibling to that bird. So this one is half Griffin and Aztec Turquoise. He handles just like them. I don't know if many of you have had a chance to handle those, but he's built like a gymnast. Compact, tight, very muscular, powerful bird. Long keel, tight vents, really good back, really short, humorous. Feathers are fairly silky. They're not the softest I've ever held, but they're pretty good. And that's him. He's a half sibling to the bird that just bred that winning bird for James Robertson. So we're going to put this bird up here. We're going to see how it goes. That's his section. I like to see him. He's doing that. Strutting his stuff. This is looking good.